4 marker on 3D trig. Save this for your GCSE revision. We've been asked to work out the volume of the prism. The first thing I want to be doing is figuring out what the length of this prism is going to be. The way I can do that is by first of all figuring out what this length is going to be here. So I'm going to shade it in my blue. To work out this, I'm going to be using Pythagoras. So we know that this is A, B and C. So it's going to be 5 squared plus 12 squared equals x squared. To get x by itself, you need to square root. 25 plus 144 is 169, and the square root of that is 13. Now we know that, we can then figure out this section here, so we'll do that in a red. If we look here, we've got another right angled triangle. So this time we've got A here, B here, and C. Okay, so it's going to be 13 squared plus B squared equals 16 squared. Well, you need to take that away first. To get rid of the squared, use square root. So when you type that in, you get the square root of 87. So that is the same as 9.33 if we do it to 3 significant figures. If we know that that's the midpoint to get from C to M, therefore the whole length will be double that distance. You end up with 18.65. So we're going to leave that length exact. All right, so it's going to be 18.65, etc. To get the volume of a prism, you need to do the area of the cross section, which is the area of a triangle in this case, times by the length. Okay, well, we know that the area for the triangle is going to be base times height divided by 2. So we can write volume is 5 times 12 divided by 2. And then we've got to multiply that by the length of the shape, which is 18.65, etc. That gives me a volume of 559.6 to 1 decimal place, and that would be centimeters cubed. And that's your answer.